What is going on, everybody? So today is Thursday. We are live trading the NASDAQ today. And I'm going to be honest, today is probably one of the best looking days we've had in a while. We have this fresh 4-hour gap above. We're in this bullish structure from yesterday. We have these 1-hour kind of retracements and then distributions. And we have a nice fresh 1-hour gap right here. We've been chopping. This is also a 30-minute gap, and we've been just going sideways. In this 15-minute, we had a small distribution, kind of higher, but we've been chopping. So this is leading me to believe that we do want to hit this hourly gap to then push higher. And then on the 1-minute time frame, it looks like this. And this is such good structure for a PDI. So what I'm looking for off open is for us to just literally do this. Like literally just do that. And maybe target this 4-hour, depending on what my RR and stuff looks like. But this is what I want to see. That's my trade idea. So we will see what market gives us. We will see what the market gives us at 9:30, but that is what I want to see. As well, ES has very similar structure. ES has a 30-minute gap here. So I'd want to see ES come lower and hit this 30-minute gap and then get a trade higher. So yeah, we're about to find out what happens in 2 minutes. I don't really see a short opportunity just because ES has a lack of imbalances above. We kind of just have these stacked highs. We do kind of have right here potential like retracement. And then on NQ, it's just this 4-hour gap, which is also a 1-hour right here. So that is what my game plan is for today, is to hopefully catch a Judas like this, or we just generate some structure and then we hit this, boom, boom. So we will see. We got a minute till market opens. Let's make sure we're logged into trade. Is ES in that's 30-minute? It is. Oh my god, this is so textbook if I get the entry. Oh, this is so textbook if I get the entry. It's literally what I wanted to see off open. Come on. Hit the 1-hour. Hit the 1-hour. It's gonna be this 30-second. Honestly, wouldn't be mind if we create a high and then we resweep. That'd be awesome too. This is going even lower than I want ES to go. This could be really good. This could give us so much more RR by just doing this. Just target this high. Oh my god, we created a nice new high. This could be really, really good. Yes, it's really, really black though. So this could be really good. We are SMTing lows. This could be really good. This is definitely a trade worth putting risk on. Hit this hourly, 30-minute. There is a 15-minute right here. I don't really think that's going to be an issue if we don't hit it though. But we probably will. Yeah, we do anyways. Okay. Give me the inversion. Give me the inverse. No. Okay, so either I have to take this gap getting inversed, which kind of sucks for RR purposes, or we get a nice trade lower. Come on, create a new gap. Create a new gap. come on. Do not create this 2-minute. That would suck. This trade's about to be so tits. If we can just get one more manipulation lower, please. Because it's either like this. It's probably going to be this inversion. ES lacks structure, so hopefully you want to resweep. ES lacks a lot of structure. We're hitting these 15s, these 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to take this. And I'll just target a 1-to-1. Inverse, I think. Oh my god, dude. My god. I can't chase. I just lost. I'm gonna fucking punch my fucking screen, dude. Bro. Just go break even. Once we take this high, it's gonna be a fucking break even trade when it should be a winner. My entry should be down here. I'm so pissed. I love when I'm about to enter, I'm checking to see if this inverses, which it barely does, and then we just pump, and it just fucks me, man. I think we're going to go to this 4-hour, but I'm just going to hold this. I'm just going to hold to this 4-hour. No reason for me to go break even. It's fucking high. This is so A+. About to hit this 4-hour. If we hit this 4, I'm just going to exit my trade. This should have been a fucking way bigger winning day. Oh my god. This should have been a way bigger winning day. Let's go 1-to-1. Not going break even. There's no point for me to go break even. If we trade lower and I'm holding this because we're not reacting off of anything. No gaps over here. And we're edging this 4-hour. And then ES hasn't even taken its swing yet. So we're just holding this. I'm confident in my trade. I just got the shittiest entry. I should have a lot more RR on this trade. Oh my gosh, I should have a lot more. It should be like this. We wicked the fucking 4-hour. I'm out. I'm in. Alright guys, so let's go over my trade real quick. It happened in, I don't even know, like a minute or two. You saw my reaction when I missed my initial entry just because I went to check to see if we inverse. And then I ended up entering a little bit later just because the move was so good that I knew it was going to play. Like, this is just so textbook. So I did get a late entry, and then I did catch 0.9 RR, which kind of sucks. I didn't get a full 1-to-1. But we did secure profits. The reason why I secured my profits was just because I've been on a break-even spell. Like, the last 7 trades I've taken, I had 5 break-evens in a row, 1 loss yesterday, and then today I got a win. So in trade terms, I am break-even. I am sadly $300 short of being break even on those 7 trades, but that's all good because I caught a win. This is so good for my psych right now, just on the fact that I executed on my conviction. I saw a nice A plus setup and I executed on it, even if I didn't get my exact entry. So yeah, this is super, super A plus. Let's go over the trade real quick. On the 4-hour time frame, we were trading higher. We had this fresh 4-hour gap I wanted to target, and inside that there was a fresh 1-hour gap I wanted to target. Those were my 2 draws to go to today. What did I see off open? Well, we had this nice fresh 1-hour gap below, and within that fresh 1-hour gap, there was this 15-minute gap. So I wanted to see those get hit before I took my trade higher. Now, leading into New York Open, what did we do? We just straight up chopped. And this isn't even chop. This is accumulation. A lot of times, pre-market likes to just accumulate price so then 930 can do its manipulation and distribution. And what did we see? This absolute beautiful PDI. Bang, 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 bang. Manipulate lower. Hit my 2 key levels I wanted to get hit, being the 1 hour and the 15-minute. Also, EQ of that range. And then what do? We expand higher to my draws. Exactly what I wanted to see before market open. And it played out beautifully. Like, very, very, very beautiful. This is I don't know, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like a 3-minute trading day. Yeah, pretty much like a 3-minute trading day, 4-minute trading day. These are the best kind of days, honestly. ES also had a nice fresh 30-minute gap below to hit. And what did ES do as well? It accumulated price, manipulated lower, and then inverse to the upside. Super, super clean. This is exactly what good PA looks like. And if we get more days like this, there's no doubt about it in my mind that I'm getting a payout this month. Not even trying to put a timeline on it. This is exactly what you want to see in PA. And then you can even see how volatile this is up here. We hit these 4-hour gaps, this 1-hour gap, and then we had a 30-second inverse to the downside. Granted, the 30-second inverse right at your target, which would be this 5-minute gap. So you fade this trade. But this is a mech playing out. A mech is a external to internal kind of trade where we sweep out a 4-hour, 1 hour, and then we trade lower into a 5-minute. This was a 5-minute low here. 5-minute gap was created. What do? We hit the 4-hour, the 1 hour. We had confirmation lower with an inversion. Sadly, the inversion was all the way at the 5-minute, so you can't enter that. But this ends up playing this play. And then what do we have right after that? A 5-minute cont. And this 5-minute cont even plays. Boom, we come lower, create a 1-minute gap. We then hit the 5-minute sponsored. We have a crazy inversion, which kind of sucks. That's why probably a lot of people fade this trade, and I would have faded it as well because we're already taking the swing high. But this 5-minute cont is even playing itself. So super, super A plus day in terms of all 3 models were shown today. PDI, mech, and continuation. Just super volatile where you don't get really good entries on these 2 trades. But this trade, there was a very good entry. And my entry is not even terrible. I still caught 0.9 RR, which isn't my full 1-to-1. But you know what? A win is a win. So if you guys like this kind of content, drop a like, drop a comment. I have 2 back testing videos up. Go peep those. Those are really, really good on how I trade, and it really shows my thought process. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trading day. Deuces.